Hello guys, welcome back to another video. On today's episode, you guys kind of already see, we are here looking at a new pickup. We are looking at a 05, I believe, Duramax. It has a fast, it's got about everything on it. Built, stage 3, all aftermarket stuff. Built, head stack, hood stack, everything. Thing's got 110,000 miles on it. Taillights are pretty crispy. Thing is freakishly fast. It is built, so yeah, I mean, she got done. It's pretty easy. I mean, we'll take her down the road a bit, but yeah, I mean, she's pretty clean. But yeah, we'll get her up here and we will get on with it. More than likely we're gonna be buying it, but oh my gosh! All right, we're not just gonna test drive so I don't wreck this thing, bro. But oof. See, I told you, we're not gonna. See, that's exactly why we're just gonna load her up. Yeah, we are going to head on out. If we can get this thing up here. I hope she fits on this trailer. Yeah, she's gonna go right up over him. That'd be fine. Before we took off, we know, saving all my precious time. Did we lose in life? I'm missing my same old us. Before we learned our truth, too late. This is designed to faded away. But we have the beautiful blue 04. Cat I swapped with the 06 front end. So, but either way, we're going to head on this way, and we're gonna go through the back roads back to the back side of the shop. Instead of coming through the front side like we normally would, we go around to the interstate and stuff, but we're just gonna cruise on around this way. It's a little bit quicker, a little bit prettier too. But yeah, tell me something I don't know. Did we come close? If you're gonna waste my time, let's waste it right and hold me while you wait. But anyways, we are going to head on down here, head down through this valley, and we will pretty much be there to the back to the shop. We gotta do a little bit of paperwork, and then we've got a couple of guys supposed to be coming in and taking a look at some pickups today. So we will see if they show up. If not, it'll be probably a pretty short video today. I mean, this truck on the inside. Whoa, hello, car. This is you, this is me, this is all we need. Is it true my paper's taken, but I still believe. This is you, this is me. But yeah, nope, we are pretty much back to the shop as of now. Just up over this hill, and we are there. So I mean, we got her 65-ish right about now. And we are cruising. Love the hood stack truck. Oh no! Wow, I've never had this happen. We've this before. My love, my love, my love, my love. Well, that is Alright, do not mind this. This is not happening. If I remember, I'll edit it out. Probably won't though, because I suck at remembering. Oh my gosh, bro. Oh, this couldn't get any worse, could it, bro? Alright, we gotta push the front of the trailer up the hill. What's that power you have on? Alright, here we go. We're gonna get her this time. Alright. Don't watch this, okay? You guys don't see this, okay? Just close your eyes. I don't feel like editing this out. There's what? This game, bro. And I'm caught between two cars. Ah, okay. Well, this is a predicament. Alright, we're just gonna... Alright, hear me out, okay? We're going to just sell the trailer. And we're just gonna set the pickup to follow me. What's that power you have on? Because I know the truck will be able to follow me. I can flip this truck over pretty easily. It's gotta come off high idle. There we go. But we will have this truck following me. What's it? F? G? H? Nope. What is it? I don't remember this. L. And did I say you was meeting me here today? We will see. Follow me should be right. Down. What's that power you have on? Course play. Don't care about course play. Did I hear you say? Right control F. Got it. Control F. I got a little jangle in my pocket, though. Change in my pocket, going jangle, angle, hang on. Always know who needs to be seen, and I get a wedding ring.
My honey, my baby, don't put my love upon no shelf. She said don't give me no lines and keep your hands to yourself.
Right. We're just gonna do it this way. Cause it's quicker. I don't care. So don't mind this because I do own these fields. Oh my dude, this truck's so fast. We're going to just fly across this field, hit a donut real quick. If anybody would like to join and play with me, hit me up on TikTok, or well, not TikTok. Hit me up on the game, well, YouTube, and then I will go to your YouTube channel if you have one. Please make sure you have a YouTube channel. I will come to your YouTube channel and then I will myself. Yeah, I'll at myself, and then you guys can like DM me or something. And just remember, guys, this is not headlights. That was just the freaking accessory lights. So we got her up. She's at the shop. She's inside. We're gonna go ahead and, bro, look at this color. Oh, I gotta figure out how to turn the lights on this place. Hold up. Let me cook real quick, bro. Oh. Oh. There we go. This thing's pretty clean. I love it. Sounds. Oh. Dude, this truck. This sounds great. Okay, I will give it to you. It is a little bit dirty, to be honest, but you know. Then we got the go 4D bed stacked. Okay, to be honest, I don't know what my L5P is doing in here. Okay, I love this truck. This truck's actually not for sale. We're gonna get this truck out of here. This truck and the silver truck outside. Okay, yes, they're for sale. No, they're not for sale. They're for sale for the right price, but no, they're not for sale. As of, like, actually for sale? No. Could they be? Yes, for the right price. But, like, I don't really care. I'm going to leave it propped up out front here. Bro, we got the 5.0 Coyote up there, bro. How many people park up here? This is kind of just like a show ledge for, like, trucks and stuff. I kind of like it like that. So we're going to keep it as. So we got that one. Got the 5.0 whipped Coyote. Okay. Now we need to go. Here's my silver truck. Beauty. We got to go get. Here we go. This is what we needed. We need the good old. The blue truck to take back to the house here. Or to the shop. Do not yell at me, people, okay? I know I'm driving across the cornfield. Or a wheat field. Yes, I know it's not realistic at the moment, okay? I wasn't expecting the trailer to tip over, okay? From now on, we're going to have a trucker truck everything for us. I will no longer be in charge of the trucking part of this side of this. But anyways, thanks for watching. Yeah, anyways, you guys go ahead and hit me up on YouTube if you guys want to try to arrange something like that. Other than that, I will